We are back to work this morning. Yesterday, can't see. Hold on, let's see if I can't turn. Yeah, there we go. We cut out those sidewalks all along here. The weather has not been on our side at all. I haven't recorded much because of that. It's kind of hard. Got those sidewalks cut out. Now we're cutting out these ones. I'm only going to cut out for 5 inches of rock. See if you can come back some more. Right. See a pink line there, can you? Yeah, pink line right there, about there. That's giving him a foot extra so they can form. And then we gotta come up in grade, so yeah. This is a good one. Back in the 308, by the way. I tried with the 135. We got that this morning, but that's just too big. I can't sit like this and just pull and get it done. It just makes a bigger mess. So it's more practical. I can't even say that word. To use a 308. Clean up this little mess. That's the mess I was making with the 135. After that, we're just gonna start rocking.
Dump it?
Yeah, you can dump it if you'd like. For free. Loading out in the Hydrema again. The little dump truck will fit in here just fine. Oh, something. Got to ramp up just a hair. Not a hair, it's actually a lot.
Like a tent right there.
Like a 10th right there. If you left it neutral. It did. Nice. Stop. Don't go any further. got all our concrete prep done. There's happened to be a huge fill right here. This is at the end of the run, but he already spread rock on the other side of that vault for us. So on his next run, he's gonna spread from that vault this way. It's gonna take a couple loads, but we'll get it done. And now we're off to spread it and grade it out. I want to kind of show you how much it rained in the last few days. So this was basically empty. There was a little bit of water on the bottom of it, but yeah, it has rained non-stop. Puddles way over there. The weather has been nasty to us. Back in the 135, I'm gonna use it. Spread all this rock out. We got front of curb right there, the face of curb, and then back of sidewalk is there where Zach's getting grade at. So it's just gonna be one big solid pad all the way down and all the way down there. You can see where he's been dumping at, or what do you call that, spreading. I'm gonna take whatever gravel I have and just toss it out in the parking lot somewhere. We're gonna need it. Set. 100th high? That's golden. That's gonna compact. That's golden. Oh.
Maybe if you can just like.
Yeah, flop it over.
Right, it's probably easier said than done, but.
Sometimes. I'll take too much on the side right there. We're gonna get it close, and then the concrete guys can come fine tune it. I better get some rock to fill that up instead of just screwing everything up. Oh, I don't want to get where my track is. I only need a little bit. Like that, just fill in that hole. We got so far kind of looks like crap to me. Honestly, it does. I don't like stuff looking like crap, so I'm gonna switch back to 308 and get back in here, smooth this all up. I can blade it out. I thought moving more with a 135 would be better, but I just can't articulate it. It just looks like crap out here, so I'm gonna fix it, get it done. But first, we're gonna go eat some food. Switch back to the cat. 308. Now I'm just blading everything out. And we'll go through. I've already sweetened some up over there. They're gonna have to move their cords again. We've already been that route this morning. Started sweetening it up. Zach's gonna run me a few scoops. See all the line here. Might have to wait for Zach. Skid steer hadn't been started yet today, so we'll probably just let that warm up. Clean up everything. I'll go check grade real quick. Good on grade. Then when they come and form up, if we need to get more in there, take some out, we will. But we shouldn't have that issue. There's my line out. There's my line. Pull from this. You know what? It's not the straightest, but it'll work. Place it there. And pull. Still a little from here first. Need a little more right there. I can see that. That's low. More for it. After this pull, and we should be good. Hopefully we're good.